Okay guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn how to print Fibonacci series up to given number. So, how the Fibonacci series will be? The first element will be 1 and the second element will be again 1 and the third element will be the sum of previous two elements, that is 1 plus 1. How much? 2. So, how to get the fourth element? This element is nothing but the sum of previous two elements, that is 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. Okay, I got 3. How to get 5, sir? It will be again sum of 2 plus 3. It will be 5. How to get 8, sir? It will be again sum of previous two elements, that is 5 plus 3. In this way, the Fibonacci series is created. So now the question is how 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 do I print a Fibonacci series up to the given number? To print this, we have many ways. We can use functions, or else we can directly print by using a loop and a list. So let us try with an approach by using list. So let me take a list where it contains elements as first two elements as present in my list. Okay. So now let's say I have given 3 as my number. So let us provide list as LST so that it will be very understandable to us. And I wish to provide my number as input dynamically, or else let us write now itself. So my number is written like this. Number is equals to 3. Then number is equals to 3. Now by using this number, I just need to print 3 elements from the list so that my series up to the given number got printed. How do I find the third element? Since I have two elements, I need to find the third element and save it in a list. To do that, just write a while loop so that it will iterate how many times you want, that many times. My list length is what? Currently 2, right? So current list length, current list, or else you can say list length is equals to what? 2. But what I require? I require 3 as my list length. So till how much time I need to run my while loop is till list length is less than my number. Till list length is less than my number, I need to run my while loop. Each and every time I'd like to increase my list length by 1, and in the list I would like to put one element. I would like to put the next coming element in the list. So what is the next coming element in the list, sir? So the next coming element is, you can say next element is nothing but sum of previous two elements, right? So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2, right? So that is nothing but, so list of minus 1 plus list of minus 2. So sum of previous two elements will provide me the next element. That element I need to append in my list. That next element I need to put in my list. So how much time I need to update is till my length of list is less than number. Whenever my length of list and number got equal, in that case I got my list up to, I got my list of series of Fibonacci numbers, Fibonacci series. How much length I want, that much length I got. So let us print and check whether we got a series of length 3. So let me print here. You can see the list got printed. If you want in this format, so you just need to put star. That's it. You just need to put star to get that. So you can see that the elements are separated by space. Now let me say every time in my program, I would like to provide my input as dynamically, sir, not statically. To read input dynamically, we need to use input function. So this input function is used to read the string. To convert it into integer, I'm just using int type converter so that it was converted to integer. Then I'm storing it in number. While length of my list is less than number, I'm just appending next element into my list so that my series got created. So let us run and check whether I'm getting first 4 elements or not. You can see I'm getting first 4 elements. Let us check with another input, that is, let me provide 10. You can see 1. So let us verify it. 1 plus 1 is what? 2 I'm getting. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Next number is correct. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Next number is correct. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next number is correct. 8 plus 5 is 13. Yeah, next number is correct. 13 plus 8 is nothing but 21. Yeah, all my series got correctly printed. So in this way we can generate Fibonacci series by using list and a while loop. Sir, can we do this by using any another way? Yeah, we can even do this by using functions. So how to do this? We can even do this by using functions. So let me say my number. To read my number and store it in a variable, I'm created a variable num. So let us read the input, enter a number. So this number got entered. Now let me call a function so that it will print all my series, or else it will return my list. So let me call a function that is Fibonacci of a number. So Fibonacci of a number, this function is called. I just need to create a function now. So def of Fibonacci of some number. Whenever this number is called, what I need to do, sir? I just need to print elements up to that Fibonacci number. If my number is 1, in this case, what I need to print, sir? I just need to print only single element, that is 1. Or else you can say, I just need to return 1. In else case, if n is 0, my numbers are 2, let me say I want 2 numbers. Then second number is what? Second number is also 1 only, right? So if number is 1 or number is 2, so number is less than or equals to 2, in that case I need to return my number as 1. In the else case, what I need to return is, I need to return the sum of previous two numbers. So Fibonacci of number minus 1 plus Fibonacci of number minus 2 will provide me the number of that Fibonacci series. So what I want to print, I want to print 1 to n number of Fibonacci series. If I provide number up to that number, I need to print the Fibonacci series. So I just need to create a for loop for I in range of number. Till that number it will iterate, and each and every time what I need to do is I just need to print the Fibonacci number at that index. That's it. I just need to print Fibonacci number at that index. So from 1 till 1 plus that number I need to print. So let us check whether it is working or not by running the code. So it is asking me to enter. So let me enter 10. You can see every up to 10 numbers got printed, but I'm getting a new line. I don't want to print new line. I'd like to print in adjacent. So I'm putting end is equals to a space. So my elements got printed adjacent. You can check here. Up to 10 numbers got printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 numbers got printed in Fibonacci series order only. So in this way also you can even print Fibonacci series by using recursion and function calling. So what I'm doing, sir, I'm just calling a Fibonacci of particular number. What this function is doing, sir, this function is doing like based on the number you are providing for the function, it's just returning the value of that number. For example, if I am providing 0 or else 1 as my index, then it is providing 1. If 1 again 2 as my input to Fibonacci series, I am getting 1. If I am providing 3 as my input to Fibonacci number, then 3 got entered here. Since number is not less than 2, it got enters to here. Since number is 3, what is the number minus 1? That is nothing but 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again I am calling, what I am returning here, Fibonacci series of 2 plus Fibonacci series of, what is that, number minus 2? Number minus 2 means 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1. So you can tell me again, it is calling the same function. So this is called recursion. A function calling itself is called recursion. So by using that logic, we are finding the answer for that number. Fibonacci of 2. What is that 2? Since the number is less than 2, it will return 1. So 1 got stored again here. And Fibonacci of 1. What is the Fibonacci of 1? Number is less than or equals to 2. So that's why it again return 1. Here again, the data got is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 2 got returned when input is 3. So you can see whenever input is 3, you got printed the element 2. In the similar way, it will find the Fibonacci number for that particular number, whatever we are providing for FIB, that is whatever the function name that we are created for that. So in this way, these are the two ways. These are just two ways. We can simply find the Fibonacci series by using functions and recursion in Python. So I hope this video is understandable to you. Once try with this and try to give an input and try to found the output whether it is getting or not. If you are not getting, please try to check the video once again so that you got to have a knowledge on how to print the Fibonacci series. Most of the exams are providing this as one of the question. So I hope this video is understandable to you. Please try the code once again. If you like the video, please comment so that it will be suggestible to more audience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in the next video.